welcome back to GKG Funhouse. So today we're going to be making the DIY Christmas present stand. So let's get started. So this is what we already done so far. Put like tape on the boxes.
Well, we closed the boxes up already.
We already closed the boxes up and stuff. We have a bunch of, we have 2 boxes there, another box, and
we've created a stand from the tripods.
Yeah, because we don't really use this tripod, so we just created a stand. We used this little pole that we had, and then put hot glue so it can like stand up and stuff. So we have that.
Currently, I'm sitting here trying to propose it so that it can go and fit over
on the stand
before I wrap them in tissue paper.
Okay guys, so my mom just put on this box. It's like we're gonna go from biggest to smallest all the way up. Just add in another box. This is the second biggest box.
So I pre-cut the holes in there, so it'll just be.
Already pre-cut it. As you can see right here.
Right now we're just trying to get a vision of what it's gonna actually look like.
Yeah. So these are the 2 boxes so far. So yeah, we'll update you guys when we have most of them already completed. Okay guys, so this is how it is so far. My mom is currently taping up the last box. So yeah, we have that one. It's our kind of biggest to smallest, because that's the smallest one. So yeah.
Okay, so now that I officially have all the presents wrapped, it's time to stack them and see how it's gonna work. I'm gonna probably put them in this corner here, and yeah, see how it works. Galactic got a runway. What's up? Who's that coming around the corner? What's up, GJ? Ooh, what's up, GJ? Oh, so yeah, let me get these stacked up and see how they work. So this is our colors for now. I want to do neutral colors in the house, so yeah. Woo-hoo. Let's walk it down. Look at this goof fruit. What in the heck? Ready, said, stretch your stuff, go stretch your stuff, go stretch your stuff, go stretch your stuff. Oh, oh. You a shark for Christmas? Christmas shark? What the?
Wait, I'm gonna do dress to impress real quick.
Hold on. A dress to impress, what they call it, DSI? DTI? Oh, sorry. Ready, said, go. Stretch your stuff, go stretch your stuff. Oh. Club jump.
360
Try not to fall. Try not to fall. Oh. What the heck, go? What the heck?
And then,
don't do the death drop while you lost my say. You gonna be like, what the heck? Are you ready, set? Wow. Goodbye.
And then
let me stack these up. BRB. Charlotte's a whole fool. See you later. We about to go stack these up real quick. What's wrong with her? Alright, so I'm gonna let Galaxia give y'all the final review on our
reveal.
My little makeup is running. Anywho, Galaxia's gonna give y'all the final reveal of the decoration present. It's actually kind of cool. It's like a tree. So let's get into it. Let's go.
First, well, not first, but right now we have the DIY present tree, we'll say that. Just getting my muscles up right now. That might need. Okay. And then so like a little bit of details. We got some little butterflies to cover up the
These little tapes we had that was hanging out.
Yeah.
We put a couple little flowers.
And then we have ornaments and this little judo.
Ooh.
And
then we have
this. I don't know what it's called.
the tassel.
Tassel.
Meanwhile, Galaxia gonna get her workout in. Y'all know what time it is. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell. Give us a huge thumbs.
Ready?
We out. Peace. Bitch. Okay, you showing them what else is in there? The Tesla? My baby. Grateful just being able to wake up in the morning and just thank God for my blessings is a gratitude within itself. Bro.
Yeah.
Hold on, let's just show them the details. Okay, sister made her little hat. Okay.
I kind of make that hair, but it came out like a hat.
You look like a little African queen, okay? You got your little top, okay? What's your little... Girl, it's giving creative, okay? You was funny.
The universe doesn't speak English. It speaks frequency and responds to your vibrations. It doesn't recognize your personal wants or desires. It only understands the frequency in which you are vibrating at. So if you are vibrating in the frequency of fear, guilt, or shame, you're going to attract things of a similar vibration to support that frequency. If you're vibrating in the frequency of love, joy, and abundance, you're going to attract things to support that frequency. You have to be tuned into the energy you want to manifest in your life. The universe always loves you, but miracles will unfold when you return that love.
Yeah. Daddy's got a new toy.
So grateful for this morning. So grateful for this, girls. So grateful we woke up this morning. So grateful for the sun shining, the airplanes rolling. So grateful for the trees blowing. So grateful. So grateful for waking up to great health and great wealth. So grateful. We doing it. We are aligned. We are grateful. We are prayed up. Love it. I'm grateful for being me. I'm grateful for seeing another day. I'm grateful for my kids. I'm grateful for the holiday. Oh, we're so grateful for the little babies that wake up looking for their mommy. Oh, their mommy. Where daddy?
Guys, so I kind of missed like a couple days of the advent calendar. I missed day 5, day 6, and day 7. I have to do day 7 today because it's November the 27th, I think. So first I'm gonna do day 5. This one's hard to open. That's it. Just move this out of the way. Okay. Ooh. It's hard. It's another one of these cute little things to put in your bath. Now day 6, let's see what we get for day 6. Okay. if I can get this out. So I'm just gonna show you. This is day 6. I don't really know. Does it show this on the back? It doesn't. Oh, it does. What does it say? What? Okay. Now we're gonna do day. I just opened. I opened day 9. You know, we're so happy that I opened day 9. Okay, so for day 6, actually day 6, not day 9, we have little, I forgot what they're called. They're like something for underneath the eye patches. I don't know. Now we're gonna open day 7. Oh god. Okay. We got this. So that's all the days, and now we just have like I think 2 more days until like it's 10. So yeah, guys. Okay, guys. So now it is day 8 of the advent calendar. So let's open. Oh, I'm gonna break the advent calendar. Uh-oh. If I can open it here. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I opened it. Kind of broke the advent calendar, not gonna lie. So, okay. For this one, I got an oil. Here, let me see if I can take it out. But I can't really take these out. I have to wait until like, all this stuff, and then I'll rip it out, kind of. Rip the advent calendar. But this one is some oil. So, see you in day 9. So it is Thanksgiving.
Felicidades.
So we're gonna go to the beach and see these like cool little elephant statues. I think that's what they're. I don't know.
Art Basel. We're going to go see this Native American art piece. There's some 100 elephants on the beach, so we about to get up out of here. It's 100. So yeah, absolutely not. Welcome to the vlog. As y'all can see, it's Thanksgiving. We got some food to break down. Let's get it. Let's go. Where's GJ? GJ, say good morning to the vlog. Good morning. We out of here. Mini-me? Really? There's a truck.
Oh, man, that's
I told you it was on a beach, bro. You've seen the display. Oh, each of them have their names by it. Look. So this one's name is Tendu. Just Tendu. This elephant is dedicated to Mark Shan and elephant family. Whoa! So everybody got a name. This is cool. So they are made out of like some kind of like bark. I forget the name of this little bark. But these are like their actual elephants that they have, that they actually live among them. I want to see what their picture. You need a baby. That's cool. Go though. Not too hard, okay? It's a video. It's a video. Let's see. These are so cool. They got like a little area. Are they building sandcastles over there? Check it out. It's okay. Oh, his name is Peanut. Little Peanut. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he looks like a little baby. His name is Preeti. Preeti?
Okay, let's go.
That's funny. Come on. You know what it does? It does the lighting for you. That's why I didn't even bother. Like, girl, if it would have hurt it. Look at how they little feet is stuck up. I think it's so cool. A shadow picture. Morning, oh, go no! The bike's coming. You get out the way. You wait, stop. Red light, red light. Oh, there you go. Good job.